is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Well, we're starting out by looking at temperatures across the region. It is quite cold this morning. We're waking up to 18 degrees. We say goodbye to that little bit of warmth over Richmond. That's that 27, 34 up into Washington we had yesterday. Eventually, we're going to pull in this much cooler air as we step into tomorrow, but what I'm keeping an eye on is also the potential for rainfall. Since that cold air is pushing down through central United States, is actually bringing warmth and a little bit of moisture up our way. So we'll head into the 40s for this weekend. On the backside of things, get ready for that Arctic chill on next week. Aerial flood watch now updated. It outlines everybody except for Hancock County. So everybody else, we're going to have to partake in this. So we'll have to deal with a little bit of rainfall as we head through this weekend. We're looking at about 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. Here's a look at the past 7 days where the trend is for this rainfall. We've been really lucking out. You know, most of this rainfall is kind of falling shy as it moves into Charleston, and then eventually it kind of dies down just to the south of Morgantown and Clarksburg. Could be a little bit worse. We'll keep you posted on how this weekend plays out. It looks like that rainfall is finally going to meander all the way up to us, and we'll have to also deal with this rainfall. So here's what models are saying: 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Looks like it's going to start early Saturday morning. Could throw some snow in there at first, but most of us are just going to be seeing that rainfall because it does transition pretty fast right around sunrise. Here's a look at the river, though. Creeks and the streams, if you live near one, maybe one runs right behind your house, keep an eye on that Saturday into Sunday. We'll keep an eye on Monday for the river to start to fill up as all that starts to funnel into the Ohio River. Right now we're at 18.1 feet. We're cresting 27.9 feet as we head into Monday right around 7 p.m. So we'll keep you posted on how that plays out. We're only breaking the action stage. Most of us aren't concerned until we hit that minor stage, at least at the Wheeling Island. Here's a look at 8 p.m. on your Friday. That's when the clouds are going to return. We keep that around through Saturday morning. The rain holds off until right around 8 or 9. It'll start out with a little bit of snow, but then moderate to heavy showers are likely to plague us through the rest of the day. That trend's going to stick around, and then reverse things is going to hit those north of I-70 a little bit harder as we head through Sunday. So seeing kind of back and forth rainfall, most of it falling south of I-70 on Saturday, then a little bit more falling on Sunday north of I-70, so we'll all have to deal with it. Either way, we'll keep an eye on snow to transition as we head closer to Sunday night into Monday. Not sure if it's really going to stick around. Temperatures are right around the 40s, but we will be dropping cold enough for the snow to stick around. My primary concern would be the potential for some ice if we wake up early Monday morning on President's Day and we have to go to work. So keep that in mind. Tuesday, some sunshine's possible, but it's not really reflected here at the surface. Basically a copy and paste day from today, minus 10 degrees. Wednesday into Thursday, we're going to see some snow flurries return. How much snow is possible is still questionable. We'll keep you posted. We have to get through this first system Saturday into Sunday, with flooding being our primary concern. Stick around. We'll have all the things you need to know before you go this morning, coming up after this short break.